In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your old Docusign documents. Accessing these documents is a straightforward process, and once you know how, you'll be able to navigate the Docusign platform with ease. So let's dive in and make sure you can retrieve those important files whenever you need them. First, let's start by heading over to the Docusign website. Open your preferred web browser and in the address bar, type in Docusign's URL. Once you're there, the next step is clicking on the login button. It's typically found at the top right corner of the home page. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your credentials and give you access to your account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll want to go to your Docusign home. This is your main dashboard where you can begin to access various features of the platform. Your dashboard is like your control center for all things Docusign and allows you to easily navigate between sending, signing, and managing documents. Next, look for the option that says Reports and click on it. This is where you can run various reports on the documents you've interacted with in Docusign. From here, you can not only find old documents but also gather insights on their status, like if they've been signed or not. After clicking on Reports, direct your attention to My Dashboard. This section will provide a comprehensive overview of your activity and documents within Docusign. Here you can sort through various reports and keep track of all transactions related to your documents. Whether they're documents you've sent out or ones you've signed, this is your go-to for detailed information. For those who may need to sort through extensive document libraries, remember there are sorting and filtering options available. These tools are incredibly helpful when you need to locate a specific document amongst many. Utilize these to narrow down your search to specific dates, recipient names, or document types, ensuring you can quickly find what you're looking for without sifting through every single file. And that's it. Following these steps should give you full access to your old Docusign documents. If ever you're unable to locate a document you need, remember to double check your filters and sorting criteria to ensure they're set correctly. Navigating Docusign becomes second nature with time. Today's instructions should make the process of accessing your archived documents as smooth as possible. Thank you for joining me today, and feel free to reach out in the comments if you have any questions or require further clarification. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Happy document hunting!